Okay, we have here our new Extremeair Outback high output portable air compressor. We're going to now attempt to see how it works. This is how it comes. It comes with gloves, pretty handy. There's a flashlight. It has a grip for your teeth, so you can actually hold it in your mouth while you're trying to see what the hell you're doing. I use a headlight myself, but this one sticks in there with a magnet, pretty handy. Additionally, comes with a tire pressure gauge, very handy as well. This one goes up to 75 pounds. That's good because the tires are going to fill at 65 psi. And you've got a nice 30-foot hose with a very important section here is high temperature because the air that comes out of there is hot. Safety goggles, handy. This has an air filter that is serviceable. You can replace it, although nobody ever needs to, it seems. That is really cool. It means that you won't be wearing this thing out like all those Chinese pieces of crap that you get at the parts stores, which I've burned up many. And then it comes with jumper cables. Those go on your battery. And this nice Anderson connector that can only be plugged in one way. And that's how you turn it on. So we're going to connect this up here to our battery. Alright, so we've got our battery hooked up, our cable, our hose. It's just simply right in there. Our hose is running to the other side. Here's our connector. We have to start the truck. This thing draws 32 amps up to much more than that. So we need that thing running. Then we simply plug this in. It can only go one way. On the other end, this has what's called a flush feed, so it runs all the time. We've already checked our tire pressure, which is 45 psi, and you should be at 65. Put that sucker on there. I love that. Way, way faster than a gas station or one of those cheap Chinese-made pieces of junk. Time this one with the video. This one was at 45 psi when we started. So there we are. Minute and a half. So 1 minute 40 seconds from 45 pounds to 65 pounds. This is really well made. You have to be careful because this is extremely hot. This section of hose is high temperature, so you don't melt the plastic coily cord thing there. So when you go to take that off of there, you better watch your ass. But this really is a well-made piece of equipment. It makes short work of filling your tires, and you know, we've got this big toy hauler here, 7,000 pound trailer. We have another one that's a gear trailer, and you know, instead of taking me 45 minutes to fill them up at the gas station or with an inverter and a little tiny compressor on the side of the road, I can now do the whole job in about less than 10 minutes. the longest time being waiting for that to cool down so you can take it apart. It came with a set of gloves, that's probably why. So I will be using some to take that apart and put it away. Highly recommended.